Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now press on New Project. Select your picture or video. Here is my video. If you want to remove background noise from this video, you just have to select the video. Then you have to search for reduce noise. Then press on reduce noise. Then turn on this button. Then press on this sign option. That's it. So this is how to remove background noise in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.